Wait lang, ano?
Things at once. But trust me, we will go back to using a frisbee trophy.
Ibilin mo! Hindi. Kailangan yun para maraming subscriber.
We got the secret before the boss fight would be over. I've never seen anyone do that. Comment below if you've ever gotten the secret on your first raid. Alright, well in the past, we have now unlocked day 7. So we've literally skipped ahead to 7 days before the event is even over.
Wala po.
Well, good thing we got it immediately, because it doesn't seem like they spawn around the map. It's only a boss fight. Got it. Wow. Okay, that was the
Natin yun,
best
ilalagay
thing
natin na screen wrap. Tara. Yung laro tayo yung galang-galang. Bilis. Habang nalalag ako. Yun. Bali. Ito.
Surprise in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Pag sana may titigil ng mag-cellphone.
What is this?
Pero, ginawa namin, sumayaw kami para hindi kami
One
nakapag-pinto.
The first one ever.
Bye guys.
Go. Let's see. The Magia Crate. Stay with us until the end if you want to get another one of these. Oh, let's open it. We got to open it right away.
Tara, laro.
Ooh, wait, this is clean.
Kasi may ba namin yung pretty. Uulan sa amin. Grabe. Naulan. Hirap naman mag-vlog yun eh. Ito ba ganun?
And we will have it.
Oh,
Here we go. Nice.
lapit na matapos.
How about go Galaxy?
Oh.